We know that there is a serious problem with an aging population. However, we saw that with robots, it could change it around. My name is Dylan, and I'm the CEO of LionsBot. We make professional cleaning robots. We have been in this industry for 17 years. We know that there is a serious problem with an aging population. It was getting very evident that it was a shrinking population. We used to have 70,000 cleaners, and now in Singapore there are 54,000 cleaners, and this future cleaning population is going to get less. Yet, the number of buildings are getting more. More places to clean, less people to clean the places. Something has to fill the gap. We saw that with robots, it could change it around. Now you became a robotic operator. You operate it through an app and the robots will start doing the cleaning. Of course, you have to do your part in the cleaning, but these are higher value cleaning, detailed cleaning that only humans can do. At the end of 2017, we made the decision, let's make cleaning robots. But we had no idea how to make the robotic part of it. As luck would have it, the phone rang and Professor Mohan's team was on the other line saying, would you like to invite us down to see the robots? Because they bought a traditional manual cleaning machine from us and they made it robotic. By February of 2018, we started a new business called LionsBot. We designed a nimble robot that can go around to clean hard-to-reach corners. We designed a robot that gives excellent cleaning results, even better than manual cleaning machines. It's the first professional cleaning robot in the world that's solely operated through an app. This app and cloud is not just to control 2 or 3 robots. We built this cloud to control 10,000, 100,000 robots, so they are massively scalable. Innovation is necessary, not just in my industry, in every industry. If we don't innovate, we'll fall behind others. An example of such an innovation is our mopping technology. So we developed this professional mop that uses just 80 times less water than a traditional cleaning machine. You just need to charge the battery for 2 hours. It will run for 4 days, running 5 hours a day. Furthermore, it is very quiet, so we are talking about 4 times quieter than a normal manual cleaning machine. We do a lot of training for the users, and we also have engineers on site to guide them.
And we received big support from a number of government agencies, starting with NEA, with Enterprise Singapore. With all their support and openness to test new ideas that can be pioneering. We are looking at transforming the nature of the job in cleaning industry. We already have a strong product vision of what we want to have of every year. We want to have an anticipation in the market that what product LionsBot is going to bring, and exporting these robots based in Singapore to other countries.